Alright guys, I'm recording this video on the installation of the XRC Gen 2 fenders on a 2010 Jeep Wrangler JK 2-door. This kit was not meant for a 2-door Jeep, but it does work. All 4 corners are installed. No problems whatsoever. They look sick. Everything is solid. We decided to install the extra flare. You get 2 options. You can do this or the trim, which I have those over there. But I decided to go with the extra flare on both sides, front and rear. And if you guys were wondering if the rears would fit, yes, they do. They fit perfectly. As I mentioned in the last video, boom, it lines up. It does line up perfectly. There's no issues at all. I mean, you see it there, all of this around. It lines up very well. Right here, perfect. All the way down to the rod rail. I did get this little gap, but that's to be expected. I mean, these things are not 100% manufactured to fit precisely. You will have to fight them a little bit. In fact, you may have to do a small trimming. I didn't have to, but you may have to. Who knows? Hopefully it goes smooth. This one also end up with a gap, which what I'm thinking to do here is kind of seal it with some black silicone to match the fender. I don't know. I'll think about something to do there, but it fits really well, guys. Both sides fit perfectly. Look at that. There's no issues whatsoever. Here, as I mentioned in the last video, I did have to get rid of my Snorkel, but I do not care. This looks awesome. And here, either I'll have to do some sort of mesh or something to cover that, because right there is the air box, and if water comes up to this or splashes, it'll go right in there, and that's not good because that goes straight to your engine. You don't want that. So let me know what you guys think. The kit, when you purchase the front, at least you get this awesome halo spotlights. I haven't wired those up, but they look awesome. You get both. You get the pair there. Let me know what you guys think. If you have questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Sorry that I couldn't record a how to install this, but I mean, it is pretty much straightforward. I mean, the way the 4-door Jeeps would install them, this is exact same process. Remove the old fender, which the old fenders are here. Not the fenders, but the sheet metal panels. Here they are. You remove the install. The other ones, these just go right on it. I mean, just kind of put it on there, mark your holes, drill. Make sure you drill once, because you don't want to over drill and screw it up. But yeah, I mean, just take your precautions. Measure twice, cut once, or something like that. That's what they say. Let me know what you guys think. It took me roughly 3 days to get this done, and not a whole day, you know, just and like working a couple of hours each day or something to get all of this installed. But I mean, they look awesome. I have a 2.5 3-inch lift kit, and look at how much clearance I got. I mean, like almost my entire arm from fingers to elbow. Like, I got that much clearance. They look great. And sure, it may add some more weight to the Jeep because I got a rear bumper with the tire carrier, the front bumper, the rug sliders, and now the fenders. This whole Jeep is completely bulletproofed, so to speak. But I mean, it rides pretty well. I just took it for a drive. Actually took it to the self car wash to kind of wash off all those little drilling shapings and whatnot, but it dropped fine. So there you have it, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section. If you have questions, go ahead and post those up and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching, and as always, give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video.